Raúl solved this problem.
Pure water is amazing.
What did you say?
I said pure water is amazing.
No, no, no! Look at this label. This water contains several mineral salts and other substances in it.
Therefore, the water we drink is not pure?
That's right, and there's a reason for that. Distilled water, or also called pure water, is water which doesn't contain any other additional substance which isn't hydrogen or oxygen.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, of course.
If
Distilled water.
If distilled water is so pure, why don't we drink it?
For you to understand, you need to know the two processes that cells perform to interact with their environment: diffusion and osmosis. Firstly, I will explain diffusion. Cells perform diffusion in order to exchange both oxygen and carbon dioxide with their environment. However, they do it in a special way. The oxygen and carbon dioxide travel from regions of high solute concentrations to regions of low solute concentrations.
I don't understand it.
Well, you will see it more clearly with an example. If I use a perfume right here, the smell will spread all over the room from one corner, which has a high solute concentration, to the rest of the room, a place with lower solute concentration. Okay? That's due to diffusion.
Okay, I know.
And as I told you before, there is a second process which cells perform, and it's called osmosis. Osmosis is the process by which cells exchange water with their environment. The solvent, water, travels from regions of high solvent concentrations to lower solvent concentrations. Okay?
I don't get it.
Don't worry, I'm going to show you an experiment, and I'm sure you will understand this concept afterwards. Let's go! Now, look, this is the scheme for the process of diffusion.
Okay, the solute goes to a region of high concentration to a region of lower concentration.
That's right, and there is a second process, osmosis, and we will do an experiment to demonstrate it.
Okay.
Let's go, follow me. Look, Raúl, to perform this experiment, we will need the following materials. Firstly, let's pour 100 milliliters in each container, and now we will insert in one spoon of salt, and in another one, more or less 2 spoons or 3.
Okay.
Firstly, let's insert each piece of potato into the different solutions. After a while, we can remove the pieces of potato from the solutions. After removing all the pieces from the different solutions, we can observe that all the pieces, except for the one with the most amount of salt, have swollen, especially the one without salt. This is because there was an unbalanced proportion of solute and solvent between the water and the distilled water. You wouldn't want distilled water to be in your mouth and intestines, would you?
Okay, I know, I understand which is so harmful. That reaction in your body must be so severe.
Okay, Raúl, that's all. Now you know that you would rather drink water with a bit of solute than distilled or pure water.
Okay, thanks, dear.
Bye, Raúl.